What if I told you that you could make a couple $1,000s every single day by simply creating custom t-shirts? And yes, I said every day, not every week or every month, but thousands every single day just from making custom t-shirts. And all you had to do was spend between $0 to $300 to start the business. So in this video, I'm going to let you all know how you can pull this off, right? And how much it's going to cost you upfront to start and run this business, and what your expenses will be and how much they will cost you. And then we'll talk about how much money you'll get to keep after running this business every single day. Now, just a quick reminder here, if you're new and you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Eann, and here on this channel, I talk about ways to make money, save money, investing, banking, and all things personal finance related. So if these are topics that will interest you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on the notifications when you do so you can get updated when I post new videos. And I post a new video here on YouTube every single day on one of these topics. And also, guys, giving this video a like is free, so be sure to help me out and give this video a like. Also, I have some other business ideas that go into detail and tell you exactly how you can start some other businesses on this channel. So be sure to check those out if you think this business isn't for you or you want to try another business. If you guys have ever thought about this business and getting into it, or even just wondering how much people who do this actually make, drop me a comment down below right now and let me know what you think, right now. Now, how much do you think they realistically make every single day? And then we'll see if you guessed right. Now, in this business, this t-shirt printing business, there are 3 ways you can go about doing it. I know you probably already know you can buy the equipment and do it yourself, and that's one way of getting the job done, but the other 2 are importing custom shirts from elsewhere, maybe China, and then just reselling them, or setting up drop shipping, or if you have a third party customize the shirts and then you sell them. We'll look at all 3 ways so you guys can figure out which one will work best for you if you want to get into this business. So first of all, let's look at having someone else doing all the work, which is the easiest way. So for instance, let's say I wanted to create some t-shirts and sell them, but I already have a lot of work doing and I don't have any more time to spare for this business. Or if I have a little time, maybe I have just a few hours every day to spare, but not enough to manage orders and printing and customer support and shipping and processing payments, right? Then I could use a service such as Teespring, and all I do is create the designs which I can have professionally done on Fiverr for just a couple dollars and upload them, and then choose the shirts I would like the designs to be on, and that's it. This is by far the easiest way to go about doing this business. Now, because you aren't really doing anything, this will cost you more, or you'll have to pay more, because in the case of Teespring or whichever service you choose to use, they'll be doing all the work. So the actual cost for you for each shirt here would be between $12 to $15, and then you can add a markup of whatever you like. So you could double that and sell them or list them for $24 to $30 each, and every time one sells, you make $12 to $15. Again, this costs you more because they're doing all the work for you. The only thing you'll do is watch the alerts of deposits being made to your account. Now, in all fairness, this cost can be justified because you're not doing any of the work, and also they have to purchase all the materials needed to run the business for you, which is probably half the cost at which they give you the shirts for. So they're paying around $5 to $7 per shirt, and then they double their cost and make a profit, and you do the same. Now, if you check out some other YouTubers or even popular people here on YouTube, you'll notice that most of them have Teespring products or shirts or hats, and this is the service they use, and this is what it costs them to do so. So if you've ever wondered how much money they make, now you can have an idea by estimating how much products you think they sell every day. Now, the good thing about Teespring is that you're not just limited to shirts, but that's the topic for this video, so let's stick to it. Now, the next way you can pull this off, which will be cheaper for you, is to import the shirts from China. This way will work out to be way cheaper because now you can cut the middleman out, and instead of paying $12 to $15 for a shirt, you can now pay about $5 for a shirt, and so you can either sell them cheaper or sell them for the same price and make 4 times the amount of money you would have made before. Now, although this way is much cheaper, I don't recommend it. Well, the reason is, or I don't recommend it to everyone, I should say. Now, the reason is because the only really way this works out in your favor is if you're ordering these in bulk, and when I say bulk, I mean hundreds at a time. So if you're watching this video and you want to start this business, I wouldn't tell you to purchase 300 shirts and then try to sell them, because if they don't sell, then you're left with no good products and your money is also gone. If you have been selling them though and you're now getting hundreds of orders, or even if not so much but you're getting a lot of orders daily, then you can definitely go this route and this will save you a lot of money. Again, the drawback here is if you want to be able to get these from China, you're going to have to purchase them in bulk to get them at this price, which means several hundred at a time. Now, because this method is cheaper, you're also going to be doing much more work. You'll have to pack and ship each shirt and also handle customer support and payment processing. So this is an all-out business where you'll need space, maybe your entire garage or home office to pull this off. So this method is cheaper, but you'll have some additional cost as well. Now, the third way to go about this business is to get all the equipment and do it all yourself from scratch. And guys, this is much easier than you think. So here's what you need to get this business to start going, right? The first thing you'll need is a printer, and this has to be an inkjet printer. Then you'll need a heat press, and then you'll need a heat transfer paper or heat transfer papers, and of course you'll need blank t-shirts. So the inkjet printer is going to cost you around $100 for a basic one, and sure, you can get a bigger, more expensive one, but just starting out, you can get one for about $100 or less. Now, the heat press is also going to cost you about $200 for a basic one, and this is how you get the designs on the shirts. And then you have to go and get the transfer paper, which is only going to cost you around $15 for about 50 sheets. So it's not that expensive, and I'm also going to be commenting down below with some links to where you guys can buy all these products if you're serious about starting this business. Now, the last thing you need is the blank t-shirts, and if you buy these in bulk, you'll get them for about $2 each. But just by starting out, you won't be buying hundreds in bulk, so you'll have to pay around $5 per shirt. So that's the total startup cost right here. So that brings you to about $325, and that's with 10 shirts included. So think about it. Which other business can you start for only $325 that has the potential to make you thousands every single day? Well, there was actually the gumball machine business, and I have a video about that. I think that one was about $200 or $150 or a little over $100 to start it, and you guys can check that video out afterwards. Now, making the shirts is easy. All you have to do is use the heat press, and it takes about 15 seconds to apply the print to the shirts. But after talking about the cost to start this business, let's get to how much money you can actually make and find out how you can go about figuring out how you're going to sell these shirts. And you have a couple of options available. You can sell them online, like creating an online store, or you can sell them on Facebook stores or eBay or even Shopify, or you can even approach some businesses and offer to print shirts for them. Now, you can calculate the cost of selling shirts online, which is the easiest, but it's not going to be that much. With the printer, you'll get about 1,000 pages of print from the printer or the ink. So that's 1,000 shirts printed on, and then the heat transfer paper is $15 for 50, which makes each sheet worth around 30 cents. And then the shirt is going to cost you $5 at the most. So for each shirt you make after spending initially the startup cost of $300, it's going to now cost you around $5.50 or even a little less. And I used a printer which cost only $75. So after spending $300 to start this business, it will cost you around $5.50 to produce each shirt. So you can now mark up these shirts by 300%, right? Because on Teespring, it's $12 to $15 to get one, and then you'd have to double the price to make a profit and sell it for about $24 to $30. So here you make the product for $5.50, and then you can sell it for $24 to $30, which is about the same as what everybody else is selling them for, and you just made more money. So factoring the expenses for shipping and miscellaneous items that you may need, you can easily profit $20 from each shirt that you sell here, which means that if you can sell 100 of these each day, you'll make $2,000. And if you can sell 50 of these each day on average, then you'll make $1,000 every single day. Now, what if you're just starting out though? If you sell 5 of these each day on average, right? So let's say you sell 10 today and 0 tomorrow and then 10 again, so forth. So 10 every day on average, just starting out online, you'll be making $6,000 in profit in your first month. Now, yes, you have to pay taxes, and I can't calculate that for you, but with any business, you're going to have to pay taxes, right? So it's $6K per month, all profit just by averaging 10 shirts per day over 30 days. Scale that up to 50 shirts a day and you're now at $30,000 per month, or $1,000 every single day in profit after expenses. Now I know this sounds easy, and it really is, but it's also hard at the same time. It's a simple business model that anyone can do, but it takes time and it will get you tired. So don't think this is going to be a walk in the park, because you'll be working very hard to earn this money from this business. Now, if you're worrying about getting business, the online stores are the best bet, and you'll have millions of people looking to purchase t-shirts, and even businesses that want t-shirts with different things, right? So in Christmas, you'll have designs for that season, and in summer, you'll have designs for that season, and Father's Day and Mother's Day and so forth. Now, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me if this all makes any sense now, since I'm sure you've seen people, or you've seen the advertisements online all the time for t-shirts, and you may have been wondering, do these people actually make enough money to be advertising all the time on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and just all over the internet? And then comment down below and let me know if you understood everything in this video, and also if this is something that you'd like to try out. I hope you liked the information in this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see new videos that I post. And I post a video here on YouTube every single day on topics relating to money, personal finance, saving money, investing, making more money, and all that good stuff. Also guys, remember, I'm searching for ideas for more videos, so if there are any topics relating to these that you want me to make a video about, just comment them down below and I'll make a video about it. Also, remember, I leave links down below to free stuff and free cashback offers, so be sure to check the links down in the description for all kinds of free stuff, which includes Webull, which is a free and easy to use investment app or platform. And by signing up and using the link down below in the description, you'll receive 2 free stocks that can be valued at up to over $1,000. And that's after you deposit just $100 in your investment account. And if you get these 2 free stocks and you like them, you keep them. If not, you can sell them, keep the money, or purchase some other stocks with the money. Also guys, I'll be leaving links down below to all the things I mentioned in this video. So if you really want to start this business, you can just check the links down below in the description or in my comment down below and get the items that you need to start this business. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.